Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to make this startup animation with After Effects. Let's begin. So, vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files, and let's make this startup animation. First step, let's make little league with puppet pin. Select puppet pin and go to foot. Click here for solo vision and make pin like this. Okay, and click here for exit solo vision and go to 3 seconds. Press N in the keyboard and right mouse to comb work area. I will make loop animation. Open mesh 1 and here I have 3 puppets. Select this puppet, open puppet pin 3 and go to 1 second. Change position. Again go to 2 seconds. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see. In last keyframe, again press N in the keyboard and right mouse to comb work area. Let's close foot options and select body. Go to palm behind and move to anchor point down and press R. Make first rotation keyframe. Go to 1 second and change rotation like this. And go to 2 seconds. Copy first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay. Then select heat. Go to again palm behind and move to anchor point here. Let's see. Okay, and selection tool. Move to head, back body. And press R, make keyframe. Go to 1 second. Change rotation. And go to 2 seconds. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Then select head and parent to body. Let's see. Okay, we can select all head rotation keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant and easy ease. Again right mouse, keyframe assistant and time reverse keyframes. And select body, press U for C keyframe, select rotation and right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy ease. Okay, nice. Then select hand 1 and parent to body. And go to palm behind, select solo and move to here. And selection tool. Let's click here for okay. Select finger 1, finger 2 and parent to hand 1. Let's see. Nice. And select flag 1, parent to hand. And flag 2, parent to flag 1. Nice. Then select this T and go to palm behind, move to here. Anchor point and selection tool and parent to body. Let's see. Okay, and select hand 3 like this, parent to body and select hand 2, parent to hand 3. Then select hand 3, go to palm behind and move to anchor point here like this and select for vision and press R, make keyframe. Go to 1 second and change position and go to 2 seconds. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Then select rocket and rocket glass and reflection, right mouse, press compass add pre-compass name rocket and click OK. Open rocket composition. Let's make reflection. Select rocket class, Ctrl D for duplicate, select reflection, move to center and go to here. Let's click toggle switch and change none to alpha matte. Okay, and select reflection, press P in the keyboard, make first keyframe, go to 1 second and change position like this, and back to first keyframe, change position here. Okay, let's back to startup and see how to work it. Okay, not bad. Let's close rocket and select body, parent to rocket. Then select foot and parent to body. Then select rocket, go to here, palm behind and move to anchor point center and selection tool. Press P in the keyboard, make first keyframe, go to 1 second and change position. Again go to 2 seconds, select first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, then hold shift and press R, open rotation and let's create keyframe for rotation. Go to here 1 second and change position like this. Again go to 2 seconds, select first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, then select position and rotation, all keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant and easy ease. Then select flag tool and search effect wave warp and use this flag. Change wave height. Okay, nice. Then let's animate this cloth. Select clothes, press P in the keyboard, make first keyframe, go to 1 second and move to down and go to again 2 seconds. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, select hand 1, press R, make first keyframe, go to 1 second and change rotation like this and go to 2 seconds, select first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V and select rotation, right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy ease. Then select stars, press T in the keyboard, open opacity, make keyframe, go to 1 second, change opacity 0 and go to 2 seconds, change 100. Let's see. Okay, then select T and let's use wave warp. Let's see. Okay, and change wave height 1. Okay, let's change wave height 2. Okay, so thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video. Thank you so much.